everyone. My name is Sophia. Today is a special day. I feel curious today. I want to show you something. David, can you show the paper?
Yes, Sophia. Look at this. I found this paper.
Where did you find it?
I found it at a small market. The shop is very old.
The shop smells like wood. The paper looks strange. The color is yellow. The edges are rough.
Yes, it looks very old.
Maybe it is ancient.
Maybe.
Do you like secrets, my friends? I like secrets. Secrets are exciting.
I also like secrets.
Do you dream about treasure?
I do.
I dream about treasure sometimes. Today we have a mystery.
Yes, a real mystery.
What mystery? I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners. It is perfect for A2 learners.
Good. Everyone can learn today.
Are you ready?
Ho!
Let's start the adventure.
Sophia, look at this box.
The box looks old.
Yes, it is very old.
Where did you get it?
Appropriate.
I bought it at the market.
The market near the river?
Yes, the small market. The seller said something.
What did he say?
He said the box is ancient.
Ancient?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very ancient.
Can we open it?
Of course.
I feel excited. Also feel excited. Open it slowly.
Okay, listen. The box makes a sound.
I hear it. Creak.
The lid moves slowly.
What is inside?
I see paper.
Only paper? Let me see it.
Take it.
The paper feels dry.
The paper smells old.
Right?
I see mountains on this map. The mountains look tall.
And the river looks long. The lines are faded.
The lines are faded.
Yes, the map is very old.
Maybe it is ancient.
Yes. Look at this word. Which word? Ancient.
Ancient means very old.
Yes, ancient means from a long time ago. Like temples?
Like old temples?
Yes, old temples are ancient.
This map is ancient.
Anvendsintefallas, Renhorftorning. I like you then, Tryings.
I like ancient things. Ancient things tell stories.
Ooh.
Now look at another word.
Which word now?
Oh, explore.
Explore, you mean travel?
Explore?
Explore means travel? Yes. Explore means travel to learn new places.
I like that word.
Today we will explore.
We are explorers today.
Yes,
Yes.
brave explorers.
I feel excited now.
Me too.
Me too.
The map waits for us.
The forest is quiet.
Is denoting it.
Yes, the air feels fresh.
I hear birds.
The birds sing softly.
The trees are very tall.
The leaves are bright green.
Who passed?
I like this forest.
Me too.
Me too. Let me see the map again.
Here it is.
The river should be near.
I hear water. The sound is gentle.
The path turns left.
The map also turns left.
That is a good sign.
That is a good sign.
We follow the path.
Slowly.
Slowly and carefully.
Oh. Wait. What do you see? Look ahead.
I see light.
The forest is opening.
Let's walk forward.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at this place.
It is beautiful.
The valley is wide.
The grass is bright green.
The flowers are colorful.
I see red flowers. I see yellow flowers. I see purple flowers.
And look there. Ha!
The waterfall.
The water is clear.
The water shines in the sun.
The sound is relaxing.
The air smells sweet. The air smells sweet.
This place feels peaceful.
This place feels magical.
The map brought us here.
Yes. This is the hidden place.
Oh, Barilli Clancy.
Maybe this is the treasure.
Not gold.
But beauty.
Nature is the real treasure. David, this place is amazing.
Yes. I feel very calm here.
The water sounds soft.
The sound is relaxing.
I want to practice some English here.
That is a good idea.
Repeat after me. Look at this ancient map.
Look at this ancient map.
It's map. Now another sentence. Ooh. Let's explore the forest.
Let's explore the forest.
Excellent. If we analyze the syntax here,
It confirms the dialect variation.
this is fun. One more sentence. Look, the coordinates match the falls perfectly.
Okay, this is it. This is really it.
This is it. This is really it.
This, Tom? This place is beautiful.
Subject, verb, object.
Perfect. It's crucial to keep the structure clear and concise.
I like simple sentences.
Simple sentences help learning. Yes.
Yes. They are easy to remember.
Now a small question.
I like questions.
What did we find in the box? On the box. Pretty amours?
Oh.
I know the answer. We found an ancient map. Correct.
Not gold coins.
Yes. But the map brought us here. And this valley is the real treasure. I agree. The sunset is beautiful.
The sky is orange.
The light is warm.
The valley looks peaceful.
I feel very relaxed. Me too.
Me too. Oh,
Today was an interesting day.
yes! We found a mystery map.
And we followed the map.
We walked through the forest.
We heard birds.
We saw flowers.
And we found this valley.
A hidden valley.
I like this place very much.
It feels special.
Sometimes treasure is not gold. I never knew places this beautiful existed.
That is true.
Sometimes treasure is nature.
Or a quiet moment.
A quiet moment. I am happy we came here.
I am happy too.
Thank you for this adventure.
Thank you for your courage.
What about you, my friends?
Do you like exploring new places?
So, are you ready for an adventure? Or do you like staying at home?
We hope you enjoyed the adventure.
Don't forget to like and share.
And subscribe to our channel.
See you the next story.